What's up, my nerdy chicks? I hope you have an amazing day and welcome to Nerdy Nails. I hope you had an amazing new year and we're now in 2022, and I thought before we start this new year I would reflect back and have a look at the 5 most favourite polishes I have bought last year. So let's have a look at some of the nail polish I bought last year. Starting off with number 5, we have a beautiful pale yellow polish called Pale Sunlight. It's also got red and copper flakes in the polish, and the red and copper also slightly shimmers throughout the yellow polish. So this is a really nice spring polish, perfect for when the seasons get a little bit warmer, and overall just a really nice shade of yellow. I always find yellow is a hard polish to sell, or I don't think it's a very popular colour, but this one is definitely a really gorgeous yellow and definitely had to be on my top polishes for 2021. The polish comes from Prism Polish UK, and the brush is pretty okay, just your standard nail polish brush, so nothing to complain with this polish. A gorgeous yellow for sure. Number 4 is from England, and it is Dancing with Nureyev, and it's a gorgeous blue to violet polish with a fantastic holographic shimmer throughout the polish. A really beautiful shade of blue to violet, and definitely a really nice one, and it's the first time I've ever bought from England, and I'll definitely be buying from them again as I love their brushes for their nail polish. It is a really great brush, it applies lovely onto your nails, so we'll definitely be buying from them again. Number 3 is a really limited edition one. Now this one is from Holo Toko, and it is my bonus track for her 2-year anniversary for her nail polish collection. And with this one it's really special as you actually make your own nail polish, so you just pour different shades of your own nail polish collection into the bottle, and this is what I've done here, and it turned out to be a really beautiful holographic green with a nice rainbow iridescent shimmer with the blue iridescent flakes in the polish. I won't go into a lot of detail as I made a whole video on this polish by itself, so I definitely recommend you go check it out, but my nickname for this polish was Razor Leaf. Number 2, we have another polish from Prism Polish, and this one is called Player Eliminated. It's from their recent Squid Game collection. I have got a full review coming up later in this year for this polish, but I absolutely loved it, and it is a hot pink polish with black speckles in, and it's got this really nice green / blue shimmer to it. It's an absolutely gorgeous hot pink, and I absolutely love it. And my absolutely favourite polish that I bought from 2021 is from Nail Lacquer UK, and this one's called Millie, and it is a really dark burgundy polish with holographic pigments in, and it is a gorgeous dark burgundy polish with holographic pigments and flakes in, with a hint of a blue sparkly shimmer within the polish. Now this polish is absolutely gorgeous. It's got so many things going on. It's a complete rainbow spectrum, and the dark burgundy of the polish really makes the holographic aspect of this polish really stand out, so it had to be my number 1 polish for 2021. And not to mention, Nail Lacquer's bottles are absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love the design of their bottles. Looks like a little crown, and it's absolutely gorgeous, so it had to be my number 1. So those are my top favourite polishes from 2021. I thought I'd also show quickly as well this polish from Ciate London, which is just a plain holographic silver polish, which is called House of Mirrors. Is my number 1 favourite polish of all time, and the reason why I really like this polish, due to the holographic pigments in this silver, it just makes it look like the static you get from an old television, and I'm not really sure why, but the static aspect of this silver holographic polish I just find really satisfying, and it's definitely my number 1 polish of all time. So far nothing has currently knocked it off. Millie was pretty close, but that static aspect you get with this silver holographic polish I just find really pleasing, so this is still my number 1 favourite nail polish of all time. And there you guys have it, just a quick summary video of all of my favourite polishes from 2021. I look forward to the nail polish I add to my collection to 2022. Let me know in the comments down below what some of your favourite polishes was from 2021 and also what you're looking forward to 2022. I know for me, my biggest goal is to get a bit more organised for Nerdy Nails, or just make sure videos are coming out more scheduled and I stick to my plan. But what are your New Year's resolutions? I would love to know in the comments down below. And just remember guys, keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and I will see you in the next nail art video. Bye!